Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize every button on your Samsung Galaxy device. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you have a Routine Plus app, which is an add-on from Samsung's Modes and Routine. This will let you assign different actions to your phone's button. So here you have the volume key buttons, you have the side buttons, and many more. So here, for example, you can go ahead and double press your volume down, and this could basically launch a camera or maybe an app, or long pressing could also open up your favorite app. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and open up the Routine Plus module. So scroll down, find Routine Plus. Now here you want to go ahead and create a new routine. Tap on the plus sign. Now here you need to go ahead and create the if and the then statement. So first we'll go ahead and configure the if. So scroll all the way down until you see button action, which is coming from Routine Plus. Tap on this. And now here you can go ahead and choose all your buttons. So you have your navigation buttons, or you have your side key, which is your side button and your volume up button and down button. And here you can go ahead and choose your interaction. So you can choose the home button. And if you double tap the home button, then let's just say we want to do that. Now we can go ahead and make it do all these things. So here we'll go ahead and just search for open an app. So apps, and here we can go ahead and open an app. So as you can see, these are all the apps you can open. However, down below, you can also do tasks within that app. So let's just say, for example, Amazon shopping, you can go ahead and do search, look at your orders or cart or deals. So let's just say for now, I want to go ahead and open up Argus and press done. Now I'll save that. I'll give that a name, press save, and now I'll go press home. So now when I want to go ahead and open up the Argus app, I can go ahead and double tap my home button, and this will open up the Argus app. So like this, you can go ahead and configure this button to do whatever you like. So you can use a back button, recent button, side buttons, the volume up button or the volume down button. You can ask it to do touch and hold. So if you choose a key, you can go ahead and press and hold that certain key, and basically you can make it to do all these actions to open. So this makes your phone truly yours. You can save time by launching your most used apps or features instantly, no more swiping or searching required on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to customize every button with the Routine Plus module on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.